Welcome to Meek Planet. Thank you for landing. Don't let judgment from others stop you from being yourself. No matter what, just remember that the only thing standing in your way is your fear and anxiety. When you feel fear and anxiety, don't be afraid to embrace it. See these emotions as a reminder of your humanity and that they will not control you. Acceptance is the first step, and then you can move forward with your self actualization goals. Taking full responsibility for your life will give you the opportunity to work on yourself and improve. No matter what happens or has happened, we all have a choice in how we deal with it. Don't make the mistake of calling decisions mistakes. Never forget that you are the creator of your own reality. We all need time to deal with our fears and anxieties in order to learn about ourselves. If you are always afraid of what others think, then your true self is never able to shine through. Don't be like everyone else who has the same path in life. Follow your own high vibrational thoughts. When in a righteous spirit, you will always win. Don't worry about judgment from others. You have been placed here as an individual for a reason, and your fear and anxiety can be used as a compass to help you find your true self. Some say everything happens for a reason. Use this knowledge as an advantage. We can't change the way we feel, but we can control how we react to it. We must understand that fear is a normal emotion. This will help us deal with our anxiety and stress better. Fear not only affects your thoughts, but also affects your body as well. Don't let it control you, but instead take action. Accept that life is full of surprises, and every day brings something new. Don't let the idea of failure hold you back from trying again and again and again and. Okay, you may want to try something else now, but you get the picture. There are no limits to what we can accomplish in our lives. Never stop believing in yourself. You will learn through this process how strong you really are. Believe that you have the power to overcome any obstacle or challenge, and then take action. You must be willing to do what it takes. If not, your fears will win every time. Take a chance and don't be afraid of what you might discover about yourself. It's time to stop worrying about the outcome. Instead, focus on your growth as a person. You can never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. Life isn't worth living if we aren't true to ourselves. Remember this saying, I am the meek. I am the strong. I have seen both good and bad, but it's all just a journey to where I am meant to be. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. The meek will conquer. We are the meek. Make everyone enriched and kept. Thank you.